I'm pretty sure you must have seen this piece right here on a lot of camera bodies and movie sets. And nowadays, you find it on super low-end budget productions as well. Well, this right here is a matte box. And in this video, we're going to be talking about some of the uses of a matte box. So let's get it rolling. What's going on, beautiful people? Gobina right here, and you are definitely welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about matte boxes, and I'm going to be sharing with you some 3 very important uses of your matte box. The plan is to keep this video short and straight to the point, so without so much talking, let's jump right into it. The very first use of your matte box is to help you cut off any unwanted light coming from the top. This right here is your French flag, and please don't ask me why it's called so. I don't know, and I probably don't care, but what I know is it helps to stop any flaring caused by light coming from the top hitting your lens. So when you're shooting in the direction of the sun, you normally would have this at an angle, so it helps out cut any light coming from the top. You know how when you're looking in the direction of the sun, you always hold up your hand right above your eyes so you can see better? Well, this flap right here does pretty much the same thing, and it just helps your camera to see better and also capture better images. The second purpose, or the second use of your matte box, is that it acts as an actual tray holder for filters. This right here is a filter, and there are many different types of filters. What this matte box does for you is it provides a place where you can actually slide these filters in to achieve certain desired looks. Now, you have 4x4 filters like this one. You also have 4x565 filters, and they all fit into this particular matte box from Smallrig. That said, filters are going to help you to achieve certain looks like I mentioned. And you have different type of filters, and some of the very common ones would include your ND filter, UV filter, polarizers, and mist filters. So you simply slide them in, and it's going to help you get better looks either by making your image softer, as in the case of the mist filter, or it could help you cut down some stops of light, as in the case of an ND filter. So another use for a matte box. Now, the third use, which is important but not the most important, is that this actually helps you to protect the front element of your lens. So when not in use, you simply close that French flag, and there you go, your front element is protected. So now you know 3 very important uses of a matte box. I'm actually going to be doing a full review about this matte box right here from Smallrig. It's a very handy piece, and what I love about this particular matte box is the fact that you can actually slide in 2 different filters. So it has 2 trays where you can put in the filters, and I think that's pretty good. And for the price itself, it's a steal. So subsequent video, we're going to be talking about that, and yeah, that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, make sure you go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you did not find it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. You know, you are entitled to your opinion. And also, if your face is a new one here and you fancy content related to filmmaking as well as photography, well, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button with a left hook. And until next time, I'm out.